Hey, I'm Daniel from Road North Adventure, and this is my 1150GS. And it has developed an interesting, or more likely a strange noise. I adjusted the valve clearance 2 times. Noise didn't went away. After a bit of reading, I came to the idea that my chain tensioner are faulty. The left side chain tensioner, I had ordered the new updated version. This one has a closed cartridge, and it can hold the oil pressure even for starting. This is a known fault point for this bike. Why I'm in the forest to repair my bike? Because it's nice, and I just got this in the mail when I came here to photograph wildlife. So let's swap this part out.
One eternity later.
This is the original. Has a little play in it. The spring doesn't seem to be that bad. This is less effective in theory than the new one, so we will see. The issue mainly comes on cold starting and just cruising on the highway. So I hope this solved this problem. I have other problems with the throttle bodies, but that's a longer video, unfortunately. Fortunately, the noise just went away, so the repair was successful. Thanks for watching this short video. Hej då!